Welcome to Daily News Update. I'm Petty Officer Latrice Ames, and these are your headlines from around the fleet. The Maritime Strategy is a plan to use the Navy's sea power to meet global operations for the future. Meeting the strategy's initiatives is a top priority for senior leadership.
But I am absolutely committed to building the right Navy for our future, and I believe that our strategy has outlined the future in a very, very good way. Our job is not to absolutely predict with 100% certainty what the outcome will be and what we will need at any point in time, but to create a Navy that gives us the best options to adapt to the events of the future, and that's what we're about.
Conversations with the country are held around the nation on a regular basis to make sure the Joint Service Strategy is understood.
Well, the ultimate goal is to connect with the American public and ultimately the American Congress about one important subject, and that's the importance of American sea power to our future.
One way the Navy demonstrates its sea power capabilities is by providing maritime security to ensure the free flow of goods and resources on the world's oceans. Another way is through humanitarian aid and disaster response missions, such as Africa Partnership Station and Continuing Promise 2008.
A core attribute of American sea power is it possesses both hard and soft power. It's through humanitarian assistance we demonstrate our soft power, recognizing that our hard power will always be there. So the utilization of our soft power assets is in growing importance around the world today.
To learn more about the nation's maritime strategy, log on to Navy.mil. For the Naval Media Center, I'm Petty Officer Latrice Ames.